Now, how do you fix the lighting on iPhone camera? Let's get started. So if you're new to Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, inside of the camera, you might notice that the light may not be ideal, so yeah, you kind of have to play with it. The first of all is you have the ability to tap on the subject in the scene to make sure that it's focused on that, right? So that's kind of important. And when you tap on this, it will also adjust the exposure, which is like the light of the shot to make sure that the subject is clearly visible. However, when you can tap on the subject like that, a little square appears with the sun icon next to it. And this lets you use your finger to slide up or down the exposure of that shot, which you can, like, as you can see, you can manually bump up the brightness of the shot or lower it down, whatever. Right? So that's how you can change it and take the photo or start recording the video. However, when you move to a different scene or a different lighting is introduced to the shot, it might change it again. So in order to lock it in place, you not only tap on the subject, but you hold down on it to lock the exposure and focus in place. So that's pretty useful because then you can move around, you can see that more lighting can be added or whatever else happens. The exposure, which is the brightness technically, right, and the focus stays the same. So that's pretty useful, and that's how you can use the camera for the better lighting inside of the shot and whatever you're doing. So that's using the built-in camera. Outside of that, you can also explore some advanced apps a little bit, something like Blackmagic Camera or Final Cut Camera, which have much better options and features for controlling the white balance, exposure, manual focus, and all of that kind of thing, right? So if you want to be professional with it, it's better to get those apps instead of relying on the built-in camera app from Apple. So let me know if it worked for you or if you managed to set up your scene and photos the way that you wanted. In case of any questions, just leave them below. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.